Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. I will use the formula in here. ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. And the second one, that is about e to the power of ln 8 equals to capital A. Now we apply the first one in here. So this one, that is about capital A. So we need to transform capital A into e to the power of ln 8. Next, ln of this one, we see that is about this one, capital A, that is about 1 plus 1 over s squared. Capital B, that is about 3s squared. So if we apply the formula in here, we have b ln 8. So we have like this. So in this situation, we can put this one going here. So we just concentrate about this one. Next, I will put about 3s squared like this. Next, when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. ln number 1, we have 0. This one, we have 0. That means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. Next, we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. Now, we do first derivative of this one, and you got like this. And we do first derivative of this one, you got like this. Next, we simplify negative number 2 over s to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. Now I will put number 3 going here. Next, when s approaches to positive infinity, 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. So we have like this. And we have 3 over number 1, we have number 3. Now we return back to this one. So this one, we have number 3. So the limit, we have e to the power of 3, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.